Built for you and pre-made Amazon affiliate marketplace website with 14K plus products included. Done for you custom Amazon affiliate international marketplace business. Whether you're trying to get started making money online or you want to build your online business, you've landed on the right video. Our affiliate marketplace sites are perfect for beginners. When you're just getting started trying to make money online and build an affiliate marketing business, you're going to get overwhelmed with the sheer amount of information that's being thrown at you by all of the leading marketing gurus. They're all dying for your attention, trying to convince you that you need the latest, greatest technique that you absolutely must do if you want to ever have a chance of making a single dime online. Except they don't tell you that the strategies they're trying to sell you are rehashed information that they're pitching for anywhere from $99 to $999 and more a pop. With so much information being pushed onto you on a regular basis, it's not a question of if you get overwhelmed, but when you get overwhelmed, and how long it takes you to regain your bearings and actually start taking action on everything you've learned. Over the years, we've figured out that the successful affiliate marketers and authority site builders aren't the geniuses among us. They're the people who pushed the information overload to the side and actually took action. Taking action is easier said than done, though. That's why we're here to help you. You can start making money from the first 24 hours from uploading your new site online. Every website we build is here to maintain long-term rankings and become a traffic vacuum that can suck in visitors from all over the internet. What do you need to get started? 1. Web hosting and domain. 2. Amazon Affiliate Associate account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.